Hello everyone, my name is Jesse Pickering and I've done a zine on motivation and self-help which is titled Change Starts Within. The style I went with for my zine is kind of as if it was a personal journal, so it's full of handwritten notes and little tips along the way on how I kept my motivation high and the successes I got from that. So let's put it on the desk and take a closer look. The title Change Starts From Within is in reference to a basic principle of self-help, which is that a person often cannot be changed through external pressure. Instead, you need to put an idea in your mind to change your beliefs from within, and from that make positive changes in your life. Using Adobe Illustrator, I created vectors to use throughout the zine. I was able to make it look like a binded notepad with post-it notes and illustrations to fit the subject matter. The biggest challenge was finding fonts that express the handwritten intent, and if I was to improve anything, it would be to play around with the fonts, possibly increasing the size a little more for legibility. As self-help is such a rich topic, I had to select areas that I felt were most important to me. So, on each page of my zine, there is a different subject. I also made this page to be interacted with by the reader. It discusses why goals are important to write down and how you should structure them. So here the reader can write down their own short, medium and long-term goals. This page is encouraging you to start reading books. I feel so many of us stop reading after school and instead get sucked into wasting time on social media. One of the best changes you can make in your life is to put the phone down and just start reading for 1 hour each day. The final 2 pages talk about vocabulary and framing questions in your mind to create solutions to problems. Due to the time limit of this presentation, I won't go into further detail, but if you're interested in reading more, I welcome you to download a copy of my zine. Thank you for taking time to watch this presentation of my zine, and thank you to the students and lecturers of this course. I wish you all the best in the future studies and hope that you can find the success in your life. I will finish with my own personal quote. Having the ability to make a positive difference in someone's life is what makes us human.